Hi, I'm Rafi Nizam, co-founder of the story studio Falcon & Storm. I've teamed up with Scan AI for GTC 24. This is day 3 and I'm very much looking forward to catching up with new startups and businesses using NVIDIA's technology in surprising and innovative ways for generative AI and digital twins. But before all of that, let's go take a look at what's happening. I'm excited because I get to speak to Chris Andrews from Rendered.ai. Chris, welcome to the booth. How's GTC going for you?
Good, and nice to meet you, Rafi. It's been huge. You know, it's been shoulder to shoulder. It's been really interesting to see the diversity of companies here, the diversity of people that have shown up. Really fantastic so far.
And NVIDIA really set the tone, didn't they, for the innovations both in hardware, services and software that's happening in this whole space right now of accelerated computing and generative AI. With Rendered.ai, what is Rendered.ai and what is the gap that you're looking to fill?
Sure. So Rendered is a 5-year-old startup that we're about 20 people. We're venture funded. We were founded under the idea that there isn't enough data out there to train algorithms, and in some circumstances you can't even get data to train algorithms. So those might be your security or privacy issues that you can't overcome easily to get data, or you're putting up a satellite to collect data in 2 years, but you'd really like to prove that you could use the satellite data to train algorithms today. And so Rendered was founded under this idea that there isn't data to train algorithms, not enough data, and instead of waiting for those 2 years to see what happens once you put the satellite up in the sky, you could actually start to create data today. So basically fake data. We call it synthetic data. There are a variety of flavors of synthetic data out there in the market. There's a big group of companies that actually focus on text-based synthetic data, things like hospital records or bank account records, payroll records. We are actually on the computer vision side, so we focus on imagery-based data, imagery, video, but most people think imagery like RGB camera, but we actually do physically accurate wavelength-specific data that can include things like synthetic aperture radar, so interferogram signatures that humans can't interpret, or hyperspectral imaging, multispectral imaging, X-ray. We have access to an X-ray simulator out of Duke University that several customers are using to generate example X-rays for like baggage security screening devices, things like that. So we build a platform for customers to basically deploy simulations to, and then there's an easy-to-use web interface that allows you to configure simulations, and then you kick off runs.
I'm at the Scan AI booth and I'm thrilled to speak with Michael Wagner, co-founder and CEO of Synctwin. Tell us about Synctwin, your company, what you're doing in the digital twin space, and what's your offer in this space?
With Synctwin, we're offering, enabling the small and medium-sized enterprises for the industrial metaverse. So in my other company, Epolog, we've been working with a big OEM like BMW and their Factoryverse project. And it was a revelation to me, working in Omniverse and this fully holistic digital twin.
Yeah.
And we said we have to bring this to the smaller, to the suppliers, to the small and medium-sized enterprises, and make this available to them. And that's why we founded Synctwin, and we try to bring them into the Omniverse with as little as effort as possible. So these guys, they use like Excel sheets with their data, PowerPoint with their layouts, and we use this and transform it into OpenUSD components with full metadata, and so they can get the benefits of digital twins and simulate their projects and production, so they can optimize their resources and their processes basically.
Oh, that's fantastic. That was day 3 of GTC 24. Wow, we had robotics on the exhibition floor, from Boston Dynamics to generative AI conversations with avatars, and of course we had a visit from Jensen Huang himself, the CEO of NVIDIA, and get this, the governor of California made an appearance too and checked out the exhibits from all these innovative companies and the technology from NVIDIA. Really exciting day here at NVIDIA's GTC 24, and if you like this kind of stuff, stay subscribed to the Scan team to get all the excitement and buzz from this week's event.